Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Questcraft. First, navigate to the official Questcraft website using your preferred web browser. Look for the prominent Register Now or Sign Up button, usually located on the home page or in the main navigation menu. Clicking this button will initiate the registration process, guiding you to the first step of creating your participant profile. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Next, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing a valid email address and creating a secure password. After submitting your details, an email verification link will be sent to the address you provided. Please check your inbox, and sometimes your spam folder, for this email. Click the link within 24 hours to activate your account and proceed to the next stage of registration. This step is crucial for securing your spot. Once your account is verified, you can complete the registration form. This form will ask for essential information such as your full name, contact details, and any specific preferences or requirements. Be sure to fill out all mandatory fields accurately. Following this, you will be directed to the payment section. Questcraft typically accepts major credit cards and sometimes offers alternative payment methods. Complete the payment to finalize your registration, usually within a 10-minute window. Finally, after successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email containing your registration details and important next steps. This email often includes a unique registration ID and information about pre-event preparations. Keep this email safe for future reference. You might also gain access to a participant portal where you can manage your details or find additional resources. We look forward to seeing you at Questcraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.